Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is trigonometric equations. Now here the number of solutions of the equation modulus 2 sin x minus 3 power 2 cos square x minus 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 1 in 0 comma pi is. Now here is equal to 1 means power should be equal to 0. Any power 0 is equal to 1. Now here case 1. Now case 1, 2 cos square x minus 3 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2 cos square x minus 2 cos x minus cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2 cos x common, cos x minus 1, now here minus 1 common, cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now cos x minus 1 into 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now cos x is equal to 1. Now 2 cos x is equal to, now cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos x is equal to 1 means now x is equal to cos 0 is value 1. Now x is equal to 0. Now 1 by 2 means cos 60. Now cos pi by 3. Now x is equal to pi by 3. Now for x is equal to pi by 3, for x is equal to pi by 3, now LHS is equal to 0 power 0. Now therefore that value is rejected. Therefore x is equal to 0 is the solution. X is equal to 0 has one of the solution. Okay, next one, case 2. Now 2 sin x minus, now case 2, 2 sin x minus root 3 is equal to 1 or minus 1. 1 or minus 1. Now 2 sin x is 2 sin x. Now sin x is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now 2 sin x minus root 3 is equal to 1 or 2 sin x minus root 3 equal to minus 1. Okay, now sin x is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 or root 3 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, x has two values in 0 pi. Now here two solutions and x equal to 0 is the one of the solution. Therefore, number of solutions is equal to number of solutions is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Total number of solutions is equal to 3. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, the number of solutions of sin x is equal to x by 10. Now here, first here draw the graph of y is equal to sin x and y is equal to x by 10. Okay, now first we draw the graph of y is equal to sin x. Now you take x values and y values. Okay, now 0, pi, 2 pi and also 3 pi. Now minus pi, minus 2 pi, now minus 3 pi. Now here y is equal to sin x. Okay, sin 0, 0 and pi value is 0, 2 pi value 0, 3 pi value 0. Now all values are 0. Now pi by 2 means sin 90 value 1, 270 value, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Now you take the values of y is equal to sin x. Now x values take on x axis, y values take on y axis. Now now first on x axis and y axis. Now here 1, now here minus 1, 0, and here also pi, 2 pi, and also 3 pi. Now minus pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi. Now here sin pi by 2, maximum value is 1. Now here this is a graph of y is equal to sin x. This is a graph of y is equal to sin x. Next one, y is equal to x by 10. Now 10y is equal to x. That one passing through origin. This one y is equal to x by 10 passing through origin. Now here total number of intersections of line and curve. Now here 1 and here also 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, number of point of intersections 7. Therefore, number of solutions is equal to number of solutions is equal to 7. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the next one. The most general value of theta for which sin theta minus cos theta is equal to minimum of 1 a square minus 6a plus 11 are given by. Now you take a square minus, since a square minus 6a plus 11. Okay, now here this can be right now a square minus 6a plus 9 plus 2. Now a minus 3 whole square plus 2. Now here this value always greater than or equal to 2. Greater than or equal to 2 for all belongs to A. For all A. Now this value minimum of A belongs to R. 1 or a square minus 6a plus 11. Okay, this value always greater than or equal to 2. Therefore, minimum value of sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. Now here, both sides dividing with root 2. Both sides dividing with root 2. Now 1 by root 2 sin theta minus 1 by root 2 cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Now sin theta cos pi by 4 minus cos theta sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Now sin theta minus pi by 4 is equal to sin pi by 4. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Now sin theta is equal to sin alpha. General solution, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Now theta minus pi by 4 is equal to now n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha value pi by 4. Therefore, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 4 plus pi by 4 for all n belongs to I or Z. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one.